everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer TonCoin from Kucoin to Tonkeeper. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're simply going to go ahead, open up your Tonkeeper wallet app right over here. You're going to cross this out, and from over here you're going to go to the section of receive, and this is the address of yours for you to receive. Now tap on this copy. Now you have copied the address. Then you're going to go ahead, go to your Kucoin app, go ahead, open a Kucoin app of yours, and this is how and from the Kucoin app you're going to go to the wallet section, and you're going to go to the deposit. You're going to go to the withdrawal. Once you have gone through the withdrawal option, from there you simply will be able to add in the address which we have just copied. Go ahead, add in the address of your Tonkeeper wallet and add in the TonCoin amount of how much you would like to send, and then simply go ahead, check it out the details and confirm it, review it, and confirm the transaction. That's how you will be able to simply do the transaction of TonCoin from Kucoin to Tonkeeper wallet. So that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.